Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home. Okay, so now you all have done English revision of poem 8. You have read the poem. You know the hard words as well. Okay, you have learned fill in the blanks also. So today we will learn true or false and rhyming words. What we will learn today? True or false? Rhyming words. Okay children? So you all are ready to do? Yes. So learning points today. So what we will revise? First we will revise meanings. Then we will revise give one word. Then we will do fill in the blanks. And we will learn true or false rhyming words. Okay children, see meanings, give one word, fill in the blanks. We will do revision. I hope you all have completed in your fair book as well. And so today we will learn true or false rhyming words. So are you ready to learn? Very good. So first we will do revision. Now see you have to give answer. First is meanings. So now you all know what is the meaning of minds. M-I-N-D-S, minds. What is the meaning? Very good. Those who have learned minds, take care. T-A-K-E, take. C-A-R-E, care. Take care. Number 2 is country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. So now you all know what is country. Can you give me answer? Very good. Country means village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. Okay children? So you all have learned, written in your fair book also. Learn it well. Minds, take care. Country, village. Okay children? So now we will learn, revise, give one word. Now see, give one word. You all know the answer. A person who sews clothes. See now, a person who sews clothes. You all know what is that person called? Who is that person? That person is, very good, tailor. A person who sews clothes, tailor. See the spelling? T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Okay children? Now see number 2. You all know this leg. Okay? This woman you all know. So a person who gives medicines. A person who gives medicines. So can you tell me who is that person? A person who gives medicine. So you all know what is that person called. Can you give me answer? So yes, what is that person? That person, very good, those who are answering. What is that person called who gives medicine? Doctor. See the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. A person who gives medicines, doctor. Okay children? Now see, you can answer from the picture as well. See number 3, a person who has a farm. So this person is having a farm. So you can answer me. Who is that person? A person who is having a farm. Very good. A person who has a farm. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. A person who has a farm. Farmer. Okay, children? Very good. So learn the spelling. See now number 4. Yes, you all know this lady. She looks after a child when the parents are not at home. She takes care of the children. Okay. See now number 4. A person who looks after a child when the parents are not at home. See, if you don't understand, read it again. A person who looks after a child when the parents are not at home. So what is that person called? Babysitter. Very good. All are good. All are knowing. Now you all know the babysitter spelling. See the spelling. B-A-B-Y. Baby. S-I-T-T-E-R. Sitter. Babysitter. A person who looks after a child when the parents are not at home. Babysitter. Okay, children? Yes. You all have written in your fair book as well. Very good. Completed your fair book, not till here. So now fill in the blanks. You have written fill in the blanks also in your fair book. Okay. So see now. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill this blanks. You have to write the answer here. Who is Nigel Naylor? Nigel Naylor is a very good. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. Okay, children? Nigel Naylor is a tailor. So you can see in the picture as well. Okay. Now see. Penny Proctor. Now you all know to read, no? Penny Proctor is a, then there is a blank. See here the picture. What is she? Penny Proctor. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Very good. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Penny Proctor is a doctor. See this? Penny Proctor is a doctor. Okay? Very good. You all are reading. You all know the answer. No? So from the picture only you are knowing that Penny Proctor is a doctor. She is Penny Proctor. Okay? So now see. Peter Palmer has cows. Then there is a blank. And sheep. Peter Palmer has cows. Then what is there in the blank? You have read the poem? You will be knowing the answer. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. See the spelling of goats. There is not one goat. There are many goats. So we are writing Goats. Goats. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Okay, children? Very good. Now see, Wendy Witter. Wendy Witter, Wen, W-E-N, Wendy, Wendy. See this lady's name. You all know babysitter's name is Wendy Witter. Wendy Witter, W-I-T-T-E-R, Witter. Wendy Witter. The kids, see, Wendy Witter is babysitter, but what she does? Wendy Witter minds the kids. See the spelling of minds. What is the spelling? M-I-N-D-S. Minds. M-I-N-D-S. Minds. You know the spelling minds? Yes. Now meaning of mind is? Do you remember? Meaning is take care. Wendy Witter take care of the kids. Okay. So number 4 is Wendy Witter minds the kids. Wendy Witter minds the kids. Do you remember? Wendy Witter minds the kids. Okay, children? Very good. Now see. Number 5. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Then there is a blank. Day and night. See these people. What do they do day and night? People. Very good. Work. W-O-R-K. Work. Day and night. People work day and night. See the spelling of work. W-O-R-K. Work. People work day and night. Okay, children? Yes. Now see, fill in the blanks. We will learn all the filling the blanks at once. Now if you know the answer, you tell me. Okay, children? You give answers. See now, one number. I will not give you answer. Okay? Nigel Naylor is a dash. You have to tell. Okay? So you all know now who is Nigel Naylor? Yes. Nigel Naylor is a dash. Number 2. Penny Proctor is a, then there is a blank. Penny Proctor is a, yes, you know the answer. Number 3. Peter Palmer has cows, then this you know the answer. And sheep. Peter Palmer has cows and sheep. Okay. Now see number 4. Wendy Witter. Wendy Witter. Then there is a blank. The kids. Wendy Witter. Then there you know the answer, no? Very good if you are knowing the answer. Wendy Witter. The kids. Now see number 5. People, then there is a blank. People, day and night. People, you all know the answer. Okay, you all know the answer, no? Yes, see now we will see the answers. We have done earlier in this lecture only. So, number 1. Okay, now you tell me with the spelling. Okay. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. See the spelling? T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. Number 2 is Penny Proctor is a doctor. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Number 4 is Wendy Witter, there is a blank, the kids. Wendy Witter minds the kids. Wendy Witter minds the kids. Number 5 is people. Very good. People work day and night. People work day and night. Okay, children? See, we will revise it. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. See again. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. Number 2. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Now number 3. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Number 4 is Wendy Witter minds the kids. Wendy Witter minds the kids. Number 5 is people work day and night. People work day and night. Now you all have remembered this? Okay, very good. Now see, today we will learn true or false. Okay. Now see. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. Can you see your farm? No. So Nigel Naylor is a farmer. See, you know that if the sentence is wrong, then it is false. And if the sentence is true or correct, that sentence is true. If the sentence is correct, if the sentence is right, you have to write true. Okay, children? So see here. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. Can you see your farm? No. So this sentence is wrong. So it is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. See now number 1. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. It is false. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. It is false. Okay, children? See, learn this well. Here it is not written tailor. Here it is a farmer. So the sentence is false. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. False. Wendy Witter is a tailor. See, she is having sewing machine in the picture. No, she is a babysitter. She is not a tailor. Okay. So here also Wendy Witter is a tailor. Wendy Witter is a tailor. So this sentence is also false. Okay. Wendy Witter is a tailor. The sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay, children? Now see, number 3. People work day and night. We have learned this, no? People work day and night. So this these are the people, they are working. Some of the people are working day, some of the people are working at night. Okay, so people work day and night. This is a true sentence. This sentence is true. People work day and night. Okay, children. Now see. Number 4. People don't work at night. See here. People don't work. See, they don't work at night. Is the sentence true? First in third sentence which I told you, no, people work day and night, but here it is written, don't work. So this sentence is false. Yes, this sentence is false. People work at night also. They work at day also. Okay, children? So number 4. People don't work at night. The sentence is false. Okay? See now, true or false. Now you all have learned true or false. Now you can give me answer. Okay? Speak up. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. I will not give answer now. Afterwards I will give. Okay? Number 2. Wendy Witter is a tailor. If you know, you can speak up. Number 3. People work day and night. Yes, people work day and night. Number 4. People don't work at night. People don't work at night. See here, number 1. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. You have learned, no? Nigel Naylor is a farmer? Is the sentence true? No, the sentence is false. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. Nigel Naylor is not a farmer. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. So sentence is false. See children, read the question properly in true or false and fill in the blanks. Okay? Nigel Naylor is a farmer. Sentence is false. Number 2 is Wendy Witter is a tailor. Now see here, Wendy Witter is tailor. We have seen the picture, no? Wendy Witter is a babysitter. So this sentence is also false. Wendy Witter is a tailor. So this sentence is false. See the spelling. F-A-L-S-E. False. Wendy Witter is a tailor. False. Now see number 3 sentence. People work day and night. People work day and night. Sentence is true. T-R-U-E, true. Yes, people work day and night. We have seen in the poem, no? So, people work day and night. Okay, children? Now see number 4. People don't work at night. People don't work at night. So this sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay, children? See now we will revise this. Okay? Nigel Naylor is a farmer. So this sentence is false. See again. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. False. Number 2. Wendy Witter is a tailor. False. See again. Wendy Witter is a tailor. False. Okay? See this. Wendy Witter is a tailor. False. Number 3. People work day and night. True. People work day and night. True. Okay. See here. Again. People work day and night. True. See. People work day and night. True. Number 4 is people don't work at night. People don't work at night. It is false. See again. People don't work at night. Sentence is false. Okay, children, see, we will revise this once again. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. Okay? So, Nigel Naylor is a farmer. False. Wendy Witter is a tailor. False. People work day and night. True. People don't work at night. False. Okay, children? See, now we will learn rhyming words also. Now you all know what is rhyming words. The words which have the same sound. They are called rhyming words. Okay, children? So, which are rhyming words here? 2 rhyming words are there. Shirts. S-H-I-R-T-S. Shirts. So, which word comes here? Which word is having the same sound? Shirts. Very good. Hurts. H-U-R-T-S. Hurts. Shirts. Hurts. H-U-I-R-T-S. Shirts. Hurts. See, I am speaking. Listen carefully. Shirts. Hurts. So they are having same sound, no? Shirts. Hurts. Number 2 is ship. S-H-E-E-P. Ship. Ship. Asleep. Ship. Asleep. A-S-L-E-E-P. Asleep. Okay, children. See, number 1. Shirts. Hurts. See again. Shirts. Hurts. Shirts. Hurts. Okay. Sheep. Asleep. Sheep. Asleep. Sheep. Asleep. Okay. Sheep. Asleep. Okay, children. See now. You all have done rhyming words. We have done true or false. Okay. We have done rhyming words also. You all have completed your fair book as well. Till true, fill in the blanks. Okay, children. So do it properly. Complete your fair book. Okay, till what we have doing day by day, complete it from your PDF given. Don't miss any question answers, true or false, or fill in the blanks. Okay, children, and write with good handwriting. Okay, children. Yes, and take care of yourself. Thank you.